What's up, YouTube? Got another package in. Yo, yeah, that's what I got right there. You know what it is, but this time, it's a special box. So, this box is a Rarity collection, right? And then, we got this new box as a test run. And it's right here, the red box. Big seal on it. You know, that's what we like to see right there. That's what we like to see right there. We go ahead and crack that thing. Go ahead, crack that thing. So let's see what these packs is looking like here. Ooh, wait. Now, let's go ahead and compare them and see what we get. Dang, I can never go one time without hitting the camera. And we are all out of them. See if we got, all right, here we go. So boom, that's what we looking like here. These ones just came out in 2020, I believe. Whereas, you know, these ones are from 2017 reprints. So, let's get to it. We're going to open this one first. We're going to open up these ones first. Here we go. Sexy. Boom. Okay. Y'all see that starlight? Ooh. It's not a starlight, but it's a secret rare. Ultra. Extra secret rare right here. Extra secret rare. Oh, wow. Nice. Didn't think I was going to get any more of these. I have one other one. And that was the pull for that case. For this pack, at least. Here we go. And I'm going to open up this pack. Now, I've never opened up these packs before. So, these ones are going to be, hopefully, pretty nutty. Okay. So these ones are going to be the older packs, so they probably won't look as crazy. I want to open up another one just in case I didn't get a good pull that go around. Need to get another test here. I like the red ones, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna really like these or not. So, these ones are gonna come with holographic rare, extra secret rare, ultimate rare, ultra rare, super rare, and secret rare. And the other ones are going to go with prismatic. So these will not have any prismatics in them. These boxes here. Whereas this box has some prismatics. Now it does have an extra secret rare, so it will probably have one of these in there somewhere. But I'm not too certain I really like this box. Might be a miss. And another baby. Another baby. So for now, I'm digging these packs better. But who knows? You know, who really knows? They could be pretty good. Maybe I just didn't get any good pulls here. But so far, I'm not really liking them. Y'all go ahead and comment, subscribe. Oh, let's go. Okay, I pulled a hollow off rip. That was pretty cool. So, as of right now, the Rarity 2020 collection is where I'm at in the standing, rather than the 2017 Rarity collection. But you can pull some older cards, which is really nice, which is actually why I like it. So I might have to, you know, keep opening some. Maybe I'm just, you know, I gotta get a good hit and I'm not getting a good hit. And that's what I want to see, if I could pull something like super good. Now this card is banned, I'm pretty sure, but it's still a good card to add to the collection, nonetheless. And so yeah, if you watch a previous video of mine, I pulled Regeki out of the LOB pack. And this is what it looks like in extra secret rare. You know, it's still a beautiful card. So yeah, there you have it. I give this box a 7 out of 10. You know, it's pretty cut and dry. You know, pretty cut and dry. I like this card a lot. But yeah, you know, you get some foils, but you know, these were from the other pack, but yeah. Nothing too crazy in the Rarity collection from 2017. I do love the Double Blaze Pokemon packs. So I got 2 of those, and I got some other Pokemon cards on the way. So there you have it. That's the end of the video. Y'all give me a subscribe, a like, and a comment. Tell me how I'm doing. Thank you. Have a good day.